pre-market summary for Indian stock market. Singapore Stock Exchange Nifty 50 Index futures indicate a 39-point drop at the opening bell. India's GDP growth jumped to 13.5% in April to June from 4.1% in the previous quarter, data showed on August 31st. A favorable base effect and economic revival drove the growth surge. India's 8 core sectors grew 4.5% in July, slowing from a revised 13.2% in June. July output increased in 6 of 8 core sectors. The ministry listed coal, refinery products, electricity, fertilizers, cement, and steel. Asian stocks are lower Thursday on worries about global rate hikes. A private survey found China's factory activity fell in August. August's KRE/market manufacturing PMI was 49.5, down from 50.4 in July. US stocks fell Wednesday as worries about Fed rate hikes persisted. Tuesday's gains at home followed positive global cues. S&P, BSE Sensex rose 1,564.45 points, 2.70% to 59,537.07. Nifty 50 gained 446.40 points, 2.58%, to 17,759.30. Wednesday, the 31st of August 2022 is Ganesh Chaturthi. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, bought shares worth 4,165.86 crore on the 30th of August, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers. Follow us, information is wealth.